Welcome to your 3-minute slimmer abs. So let's begin. Lifting your waistline side to side, really tightening up through the abdominals, slimming through that waistline. That's it. Keep your knees slightly bent and you're reaching, working on slimming the waistline. That's great. Really reach it out there, keeping the bottom half kind of still. That way you really work the muscles of the waistline, the obliques. Beautiful. Keep reaching out. Slim it out. Yes! Beautiful. We got 2 more. Really try your best. Last one. And release. This time now stay low and do little twists. That's it. Keep yourself nice and tall through the waistline. Great through the spine. And do little twists. Tighten up your abs now. Tight, tight. That's it. Great. Beautiful. Slim and trim that waistline. You got it. We got 2 more of these. That's it. Last one, and now reach them out. Reach out. That way you work kind of the back of the waistline. That's it. No more love handles. Just reach it out. Good. Twist. Slim and trim. We can do it. Pull that belly button in. Yes. 2 more. Last one. Okay, let's take it to the side now. Lifting nice and tall. You're going to pull the elbow towards your knee. That's it. Working right here. It's a cinch in through the waistline. That's great. Really lift though. Lift. Great. The length really helps you lift. Beautiful. And kind of cinch in there. Come on, really bend. Good. That's it. Bend. Good. If you want, you can keep that foot up too, or take it down. Either one. We got the last one. That's it. Beautiful. Okay, switch side. Lengthen first. You want to lengthen through the waistline. And pull and crunch. Good, really feel it. You can keep that leg up and make it a little more challenging. Or place it down. Whatever's best for you. Really crunch. There you go. Cinch in the waist. Great, slim it out. Good, but really feel it in the abdominals. I got this. You can do it too. Come on. It's worth it. Great. Pull down. That's it. Good. We got 2 more. Last one, give it all you got. Okay, beautiful. This one I really want you to think tall. You're gonna lean down slightly and come up. This time we're gonna add a knee. So down and lift, work that waist. Down and lift, work the waistline. Great, slim and trim, that's it. Last 2, back is strong and straight. Use the tummy. 1 more. That's it. And pull it in and hold it right there. That's it. Great. Thinking about good posture. Lift. That's it. Last one. Okay. And take a deep cleansing breath. Bring in the oxygen. And stretch out those abs and release. You did it. Fabulous workout. You did great. What a fabulous workout. And if you want more full-length workouts, I have a brand new app, Denise Austin app, that has over 400 of my workouts, plus recipes, plus a great community and challenges too to keep you going. Plus, we have a free trial going on right now. So download my app or scan the QR code.